Go. Oh, Surron's pulling away. And the extra weight. He's catching him now. Now we're cooking. Now we're cooking. But low down is where it's at. Oh, we can all get our head down. Oh my God, this is so even. I was saying, wow. Judge for yourself, ladies and gentlemen. It's out. Oh,
we're out, isn't it?
Chicken.
Yeah, we're out, isn't it? Let's do 20 miles an hour down here, look, and then both give it some.
Okay. A rolling start.
20 miles an hour.
Mine's saying about 20.
I've got about 20. Yeah, go on then.
Go.
Yeah.
This doesn't look good, people. Considering he's a bit of a Pat Tucker, so that extra weight he's carrying, that's interesting. Both stock, apart from a few little modifications on the pegs and grips, but
Done it for him.
nothing major.
Oh yeah.
Wow, we've got to have another standing start.
10 miles an hour, or do you never standing?
Well, if you want to do 10,
Yeah, I'm doing 10.
so am I about. You tell me when you're ready then.
Yeah, ready?
Yeah?
Go.
He's got me. I think my goggles on the bars are creating a bit of drag, if I'm really honest. And the sun's in my eyes. It is now, anyway. Yeah, and it is. He's holding this. Oh.
Chips again, chips.
Yeah. You are chips. People were moaning about you with no helmet on.
Banging a lot of flies in, I will.
Yeah, you got one on your front tooth.
Yeah, I got that. I got the afro soaking it. Filtering it through, isn't it?
They're stuck in there. What are we going to? Standing start?
Who?
Standing start?
Yeah, ready?
Go.
Go.
I'm not even going to look. Concentrating on pheasants ahead, crossing. I can see a shadow right behind me there. Oh. But that loves attention. Loves it, doesn't he? Don't look at me like that. Chips.
80 miles an hour. These are the old double nickel.
What are you getting to now? I'm showing 15 miles per hour.
15.
Alright, and you're pushing me on the opposite side. Oh, that didn't even hear us. Oh, baby rabbits.
Hey, look, what ship down?
Bullhead's sinking. You'll come back and stew them later. You'll come back and try and get them. Stew them. Ready?
Don't kill everything, they'll eat it.
Oh, I'm in eco. I got him. Oh. Come on, bullet, I want to ask you how much you weigh. I'm saving my battery. Don't even know, well, we've got loads left. I'm just trying to work out, I reckon, honest opinion is combined weight, that you're probably heavier than me. This is only 5 kilos heavier.
56 chest, don't forget though.
Or was it 10?
At the top, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Actually, it might be 10 kilos heavier. You're about 110 kilos, I'm 75. A good 100, yeah, and I'm 75. So you're 25 more already. 25 bags of sugar. Stop pushing.
You're still slow. You're like a snail on LSD. Nothing like it. We've got a turnability of a yacht.
You wait. I could spin this round on a 50p coin.
You just like that human slap of wire.
Ah. Oi, right, pull over, we're swapping bikes. Yeah, I want to see how much quicker I am. Because I keep thinking I hear something behind. Shall we swap bikes for a second?
Not really.
Okay. You selfish pig.
It just feels stable, huh?
Yeah, no, it is a lot. Feels a lot. That's just fatter tyres, really.
We'll get a bit further in the afternoon and then.
We can say that for another day.
Yeah.
Because I'd generally like to see the real difference, because these are both pretty much stock. Well, they are. So it's nothing.
Boys are keeping their eye out.
No engine mods. It's not being hot rodded or anything like that, or whatever they call it. Yeah, you agree that 20 miles per hour he's on about the throttle is just not smooth. Now I feel like this is as smooth as butter. Oh, you just stay at the same speed. It won't let you. Whoa, looking up in the sky.
Standing start. Get torque.
Oh yeah, because you need it up the hill.
Yeah. Ready?
Yeah. Oh. Wow. I'm not disappointed, I'm probably slightly surprised.